Hi viewers, today we're going to see Measure of Central Tendency, Chapter 24b. This is for Grade 10 ICSE Selling Up Applications. Question 1. The following table show age of 50 students. Find the mean of their ages. And the table is giving the distribution. So age range between 16 and 18. The frequency is 2. So the mid value is 17, 19, 21, 23 and 25. Xi is a mid value for that range. We need to multiply now Xi and Fi. 34, 19, 7 makes 133. 21 square is 441. 23, 17 is 391. 25, 3 times is 75. We need to make a total of the frequency and XIFX. 50 and 1074. Now by substituting in the formula, we can get the arithmetic mean. 1074 divided by 50, that gives us the mean of 21.48. Next, question 2. Again, another distribution is given for number of workers and their weekly wages. Again, the range is given in weekly wages, so we need to find the mid value of the same, that is Xi. So mid value between 50 and 55 is 52.5. The next one is 57.5, 62.5. Between 65 and 70 is 67.5, 72.5. Next, the mid value is 77.5, 82.5, 87.5. So we can now get the fx by multiplying both. 262.5, 1150, 625, 675, 652.5, 77.5 into 6 is 465, 990 and 700. Now we can find the total for those two columns, frequency and fx. So frequency is 80. The last column is 5520. Now by substituting, we can find the mean directly. 5520 divided by 80, that gives us 69. So this is by direct method. Next we need to do the shortcut method. So here the formula is a bit different for calculating the mean. Here we are taking two more new values. A is the assumed mean and D is difference between mid value and A. So here A is 72.5. So difference is 52.5 minus 72.5, that is minus 20. Then 57.5 minus 72.5, that is minus 10. Next it's minus 5, then 0, 72.5 minus 72.5, then 5, then plus 10, then plus 15. Next we need to calculate Fi di, its product. So minus 20 into 5. that is what we are going to find in this column. Minus 100. Next we need to do minus 15 into 20, that is minus 300. Next minus 100. Next it's minus 50. Minus 5 into 10 is minus 50. Then 9 into 0 is 0. 6 into 5 is 30. 10, 12 times is 120. And 15 into 8. Again 120. We need to find the total for that column, that is minus 280. Here the formulae for the mean is a bit different. So now by substituting the value of A, that we know is 72.5, assumed mean is what is A, so 72.5 plus minus 280 divided by 80. That gives us a mean of 69 again, same by two different methods for question 2. The mean by direct and shortcut method. Next question 3, we need to same way calculate mean by shortcut and step deviation method. Here again the formulae vary slightly for both. Shortcut we have already seen in question 2. So we need to find the mid value for the marks obtained by the boys. 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85 and 95. They are the mid values for the marks. Next here we need to find the total for frequency. Number of boys is 70 and A is the assumed mean, which is 65. Now we need to find the difference, xi minus A. 35 minus 65, that makes it minus 30. 45 minus 65, that makes it minus 20. 55 minus 65 makes minus 10. 65 minus 65 is 0. 75 minus 65 is 10. 85 minus 65 is 20. 95 minus 65 is 30. Now we need to find the product, fi di. Minus 30 into 10, minus 300. 12 into minus 20 is minus 240. 14 into minus 10 is minus 140. Next it's 0 into 12 is 0. 9 into 10 is 90. 7 into 20 is 140. 6 into 30 is 180. We need to find the total for this column. That's minus 270. Now by applying into the formula, A here is 65 plus minus 270 divided by 70. That gives us a mean 61.14. Next, in the same question, second part is we need to find the mean by step deviation method. Here the mid values are 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85 and 95. Here we have a new term H, which is a class size. So if you see 30, 40 is a range, so obviously the size is 10. H is 10 and A is assumed mean, which is 65 again. H is 10 because H is a class size. Here the class interval is given us between 30 and 40. So we can find the value of u by substituting the value of xi, a and h for this column. Next, again we need to multiply f and u. 10 into minus 3 is minus 30, minus 24, minus 14, 0, 9 into 1 is 9, 7 2 times is 14, 6 3 are 18. We need to find the total for this column, that is minus 27. And the formula here is a bit different, a plus h into, same way we calculated the mean before, 65 plus 10 into minus 27 divided by 70, that gives us the mean, 61.14. Next, question 4, find the mean by step deviation. Again we'll find the mid value here, 66.5. Between 77 and 70 it's 73.5, 80.5. Between 84 and 91 it's 87.5, 94.50, 101.50, 108.50. Here the assumed mean is 87.50 and the class size here is 7. 70 minus 63, 7. So it's always same for all the class interval. So h is 7. So we can calculate this column. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Next we can find the product. 9 into minus 3 is minus 27, 13 into minus 2 minus 26, minus 27, 0, 32, 32 again, 45. We can calculate the total for the two columns, frequency and the final column, that is 150 and 29. And again by substituting in the formula of step deviation method, we can calculate the arithmetic mean. 87.5 into plus 7 into 29 divided by 150, that gives us the mean of 88.85. Next, question 5, the mean is already given. It's a mixed fraction, so we need to convert to improper. That's 148 by 7. But one of the value of frequency is missing. It's denoted as f, so we need to find the value of f. So this is direct method. We can find the value of f. So first we'll find xi. That's a mid value for the class interval between 0 and 10 is 5, and it goes on for the column. Next we need to find the product. 35f, 45 into 2 is 90. Then we can find the total for those two columns, frequency and fx, 63 plus f and 1235 plus 35f. So this is by direct method. We have the mean, so that will be LHS. One, 2, 3, 5 plus 35 f divided by 63 plus f, that is equal to mean. LHS is already a improper fraction. 148 by 7 equal to RHS is the substituted values. So by solving this, we can get the value of f. Then by bringing f on the left hand side and the numerals on the right hand side, we can get the value of f. 245f minus 148f, that's equal to 9324 minus 8645. So f equal to 679 divided by 97, that's equal to 7. Hope this is useful. If you find this useful, please do share and subscribe. Thank you.